Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, Alishan here. Yes, I'm having a lonely RC flying evening. You know, sometimes you have to have a RC day out. And this should be the last flight, not the last, I hope it's not the last flight of my P39, beautiful P39 Cobra 2. It was the last flight of Copis 1. I crashed and burned it, including my GoPro Session 5. It hurts, I know, but hey. And now I want to enjoy a flight of my P39. The winds are big crosswinds, so not sure how it will go, but let's give it a try. It's worth a try. I flew my Yak 130 and the wind was just throwing it around so bad. All right, there goes nothing. Whoa, look at the wind. Actually threw it. Like, that was a slap on the plane. And if I come to this area, I will get a wind slap again. But overall, it's slower than the EDF, so I'm having much better result. However, you can see it's always turning its nose towards the river because of that crosswind, and I have to keep slight rudder to actually, you know, counter that thing. Ooh, it's like when coming back, it feels like it's stalling, and I have to give it a lot of throttle then. Keep it lower here, lower than the sun, otherwise I will go blind. So it's my very first flight of P39 Cobra 2, which is an FMS plane, on such a windy crosswind day. Before, I have always flown it on calm winds day. Today, you know, I thought before we head to Pakistan, I will just give myself a lonely RC flying evening. Oh, sorry, not evening, afternoon, and have fun with it. As I'm also practicing on my simulator, Freerider Recharged, you know, power loops on the quadcopters, not on the planes. So I was actually practicing the power loops on my quad, Copis 1, with a GoPro Session, and man, I was making some sweet moves and doing really nice. And that's where, after a very high power loop, my battery suddenly, I don't know, not the battery still had volts, quad suddenly dived in one direction and hit the ground at so high speed upside down that the FPV camera, GoPro Session, and the flight controller, everything totaled. I wish I was running a camera on the ground or at least a DVR, but hey, that good crash wasted. Anyway, I'm glad I didn't crash my Yak 130. Can't say anything about P39 because this is still in the air. And I'm having fun flying it. You know, the way it's behaving, it's better to land it. One set of flaps. Look how the wind is pushing it. I mean, really. Smooth landing, baby. What happened? What did I eat today? Despite of this much wind and everything, the landings are nice and smooth. All right, I'll call it a day, man. Don't want to get anything to happen to my beautiful Cobra 2.